guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive that I use for work, and for the first week of November I'm going to combine Create with Mandy's Cozy Things with some alcohol ink and sunflowers from According to Allie. Let's get started. Alright, so one of the things I think I'm going to do is actually try and keep this as simple as possible. And now I've just remembered I have Friday off too. Woohoo! So what I use this for is really to keep track of my meetings, my to-do list, and then this space on the side here is for my notes. So I'm going to take one of these gorgeous khaki alcohol inks and just place it right here because I know I won't have anything to put down for Friday. Keep that really simple, and then actually take one of these leaves and place that there. And then washi. I'm wondering if I should put some of this washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. in there, or just leave it, or just put in some grid washi. I need to use all of this grid washi because I do have so much of it. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of the orange as well and kind of place it. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut that in half and place that along the top of the spread. Gosh, my scissors are gross. Okay, place one there, place one there, and then I'm going to place a bigger, I say bigger, but this one down here, wait, down here, no, like this. Takes a little bit of room, but then I can put a sunflower with it, just like so, with a little bit of washi. I like my Archer and Olive for this. I feel like because of the type of planner it is, or type of journal it is, I am allowed to be a little bit more creative. So let's see. I love this little pumpkin pie one, and the books too. Now, how do I want to use it? I do want to put in some boxes that are kind of like the orangey. Did I miss it? The orange. I was gonna say flavor. That's not the right word. Orange. So I'm actually really happy that next week is a 4-day week. Okay. So what do I have to choose from? I have a lot of yellows, which actually would work. So I'm going to take one of these prior... Oh, I just kicked Lucy. I'm so sorry, puppy. She was sleeping under my feet and I accidentally kicked her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Oh, that works. So I have 6 meetings on Monday. And then I can put... Oh, see, I'm out of those. I'm out of those particular boxes. Hold on. Well, I guess I'm not going to be using those. What else do I have in here? Oh, gosh, no. I could make these work. So I'll put down like a peach one and an orange one for Tuesday for to-do lists. Like that, like them layered. Then another big box for Wednesday. Wednesday I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meetings. I can get by with this. And then I can grab another couple of boxes for Thursday's to-do lists. I actually really like using boxes in this. I think it helps to break things out. So put it like that. Oh, I love that already. So now I feel like I can add something up there. Maybe some books, because they are my notes. Some books with some of this washi. Then, I don't know what it is, but I love just how that looks. It's so simple, but so good. And then I don't have a pumpkin in this one, so let's put a pumpkin down here. With, of course, washi. You guys know that if I'm going to use washi, I'm going to use washi. Oh, cute. I actually don't feel like I need to add anything more to that. I'm going to keep it really simple. And then this week, in terms of what pen ink I'm going to be using, I have a brown, and I also have, well, I say brown, but Café des Îles and J. Herbin or Diamine Autumn Oak in this. So I think that's what I will be using all week. But that is it for me. A very, very quick plan with me in my Archer and Olive for work, using some of Create with Mandy's Cozy Things and alcohol ink and sunflowers from According to Allie. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.